Olubadan. Okay. Your Excellency, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Olubadan, DCFR, ably represented by the Honorable Minister of Power, Chief Abiodun'S, His Excellency, the Executive Governor of your state, my brother, Engineer Sheyi Makinde. Permit me to appreciate and recognize the governors of Lagos State, represented by the Chief of Staff, the Governor of Osun State, represented by his Deputy Governor, Prince Abiodun'S, the Governor of Ondo State, represented by his Deputy Governor, His Excellency Dr. Adelani, and former governors of Oyo State, particularly, let me recognize His Excellency Senator Rashid Ladoja and His Excellency General Olubadan, retired. His Excellency the Deputy Governor of Oyo State, Barrister Abiodun'S, the former First Lady of Oyo State, Alaja Ladoja, and all other former Deputy Governors that are here present, all members of the National Assembly, both serving and past, members of the Oyo State House of Assembly, permit me to use the speaker at the point of courtesy to all of you. All other eminent and distinguished personalities, particularly His Eminence, the Sultan of Sokoto, Alhaji Muhammadu Sa'ad Abubakar CFR MNI, His Imperial Majesty, the Oni of Ife, Oba Adeyeye Ogunwusi. I will use you as a point of courtesy to all the candidacies that are here. And of course, our newly installed Olubadan of Ibadan, His Imperial Majesty, Oba Akiloye, Owolabi, Olakuleyin, Ide, Olakuleyin, one, and all other royal majesties are here. All commissioners, service commanders, all other distinguished ladies and gentlemen of the press. It's indeed an honor and a pleasure for me to be here today. I am here representing myself and all the 17,000 governors of Nigeria. Recognize that the improvement of an urban in a society remains a significant occasion in the history of every community. It signifies the dawn of a new era and has from time immemorial been the yardstick of measuring the stability of our traditional institutions. It is no surprise, therefore, that the process leading to the selection and emergence of this new 44th Olubadan of our Olakuleyin met the invaluable input from the relevant approving authorities and the eminent Obu-Gagbaja family in the Itubale area of Ibadan. On this note, I join others in welcoming you all to this auspicious occasion of the installation of Oba Olakuleyin as the 44th Olubadan of Ibadan. This ceremony marks a significant milestone in the rich history and cultural heritage of Ibadan, West Africa's largest city and our great nation in Nigeria. Congratulations to all the sons and daughters of Ibadan on this historic moment. In a special way, I want to congratulate my brother, His Excellency, Engineer Sheyi Makinde, the executive governor of Oyo State, for this momentous occasion. I want to appreciate you. I want to thank you. I want to wish you well. I want to wish the new cabinet well. I want to wish all the sons and daughters of Ibadan well. God bless Ibadan. God bless Oyo State. God bless Nigeria. Thank you very much for listening to me, and God bless you.